Hey, what's up guys? This video is to help you simplify the expressions when you have to distribute and combine like terms. So you see the expression here on the screen, 3 minus 4 times the quantity of x minus 2 plus 7x. So when you look at the beginning of this expression, we do have a 3 minus 4, and after the 4 we do have a parenthesis, which means you multiply the 4 times the x minus 2. Now, a very common mistake students like to do is they like to subtract the numbers 3 minus 4 first, which they will get a -1, but that's actually wrong, okay? Because when you think about the order of operations, which is parentheses first, and then exponents, and then multiplication or division, whatever's first from left to right, and then addition or subtraction, whatever's first from left to right. And some teachers, they say PEMDAS, so I'm just going to write that down. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, that's something else teachers use for you to remember the order of operation. But what I'm trying to say is, when you look at the order of operation, we have multiplication before subtraction. So I know we have a 3 minus 4 here, and it is -1 when you subtract. But since we have a parenthesis next to the 4, notice there's nothing between the 4 and the parentheses. You actually have to multiply first, and then you have to worry about the subtraction or addition or whatever you guys have. So in this case, we do not subtract the numbers first. We actually have to distribute or multiply the number outside the parentheses to what's inside of the parentheses. Now, if you're thinking, well, what about the parentheses? Don't we do the parentheses first? Well, yes you do, x minus 2, but those two terms you cannot combine. X minus 2, you cannot do anything to those. So that's why we go to the next step in the order of operations. We don't have exponents, well, we do have multiplication. So let me erase this -1 here, let me erase all of this here, and we are going to distribute. Now you have to be careful when you distribute, because we do have a number 4, but that number has a minus next to it on the left side. So that's actually a -1. So what we have to do, you're going to have to bring down the 3. We're not going to do anything to the 3 yet, but we are going to distribute the -4 to the parentheses. So you're going to multiply the -4 times the x. That's a -4x. You distribute, multiply the -4 times the -2. That's a +8. And the last term, the plus 7x, that is not inside the parentheses. So you are not going to multiply by the -4. You're just going to bring it down, plus 7x. So the next step is actually to add or subtract. We don't have any division, so we're not going to worry about the dividing, but we do have to add or subtract. In this case, we have like terms. We have to combine like terms, so adding or subtracting like terms. So we always want to start with the term that has a variable. Whatever letter you guys have, x, the y, the p, you guys want to start with those terms, the ones that have variables. So I do have like terms with variables, and those like terms are the -4x, I'm going to put a bubble, and the positive 7x. So remember that when you have different signs, you subtract the coefficients, the numbers in front of the variables, and in this case we keep the sign of the biggest number. So -4 plus 7, that's positive 3x. Then you guys are going to combine the constants. Constants are the numbers with no variables. So we do have the 3, and I'm just going to underline the 3 here, and the 8. Those are two positive numbers. 3 plus 8, you just do regular addition. So 3 plus 8 will be plus positive 11. So that's my answer. When you guys simplify the expression, the answer is 3x plus 11. So this is a very short video, just to review, just to remember how to simplify those expressions. The best way to get good at math is to practice, and always remember, math is not so bad. You just need to practice to actually learn and get good at it. So make sure you guys do that. If you guys like my videos, hit the like button. You guys can also subscribe to my channel so you guys know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys later.